All right. This is an incredible news story that came out yesterday. Citibank's analyst says Bitcoin could pass 300,000 by December 2021. Why is this important? Well, there's several reasons, and I want to break it down for you in this video. I just did a video about last week or week before last where I talked about I thought Bitcoin could hit 100,000 by December of 2021. Now, this analyst is saying 300,000 by December of 2021. I think this is incredible. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Crypto Wealth. I love to talk about crypto. I'm a cryptocurrency enthusiast, YouTuber. I'm not a financial advisor, but I believe in this space. I believe in learning together, growing together, and I particularly love to earn passive income in cryptocurrency. Passive income has been something I've always focused on in my investments, in my business life throughout my years on this planet. However, being able to earn passive income with cryptocurrency is even better. So if you love passive income and you love cryptocurrency, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. I want to say this before we get into this article. Ladies and gentlemen, YouTube algorithm is acting up again. It is basically suppressing cryptocurrency content. So do me a favor. The only way we can fight back against the suppression of this content is by helping push that algorithm a little bit further. When you hit that like button, that algorithm does not necessarily know if you're hitting the like on a cryptocurrency channel or another channel. All it knows is this is popular content and it should push it to a little broader audience. So do me a favor, if you haven't done so already, even if you haven't subscribed, smash that like button. And hopefully I'll be able to earn your subscribe before we're done. So let's see what Citibank is saying. A senior analyst at US-based financial giant Citibank has penned a report drawing on similarities between the 1970s gold market and Bitcoin. The whole of Bitcoin's existence has been characterized by major price swings. Exactly the kind of thing that sustains a long-term trend, says Thomas Fitzgerald, global head of the company's CitiFX Technicals Market Insight product, in his report solely intended for the bank's institutional clients. Don't you love how they try to create content that prevents you and me, the little guy, from getting info? The report was first leaked to the cryptocurrency community by Twitter user Classic Macro in a tweet on Saturday, noting Fitzgerald is a big fan of moon targets. Fitzgerald pointed to Bitcoin's weekly chart and used technical analysis of prior highs and lows to determine a target of $318,000 by December of 2021. This kind of technical analysis is of little value, Classic Macro commented in his tweet. There is no edge in guessing targets so far in time with TA. All we know is that price is likely to continue going up. I would agree with that. What are your thoughts? Let me know down in the comments. The Citibank executive drew on Bitcoin's 2010 and 2011 exponential move as being very reminiscent of the 1970s gold market. Gold had experienced 50 years of constricted $25 to $35 price range before a breakout occurred after changing the fiscal policy of the Nixon administration in 1971. A decoupling of gold from fiat currencies, the pandemic, and the desire for central banks to pursue aggressive quantitative easing policies could lead to future explosive price growth in Bitcoin, according to Fitzgerald. Readers loves this, commented Classic Micro. What matters here is that Citi's clients being exposed to the Bitcoin moon. Okay, so I want to share with you my thoughts here, and I want to share with you how I invest with this type of information. So when I saw this headline yesterday, I thought something very quickly. I realized, okay, Citibank, big publication, and it's alerting its own readers. There are plenty of people that have heard of Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's still, for a lot of people, I mean, those of us that are in this space, it's hard to believe that there are people missing out on the ridiculous opportunities that exist in crypto. Like there are financial opportunities that exist. There are financial risk as well, but there are financial opportunities that exist in crypto. Even the kind of interest that you can earn even through like crypto.com or any other platform like that, the type of basic interest that you can earn, much less being able to earn passive income streams right now of, 0.3, 0.5% a day or more. Many of you saw the video that I did where I was giving an insight to our subscribers. And I did this video and I talked about I was going to be rolling out a new video, a new strategy on how we can mine a particular project a lot cheaper and earn a greater reward. By the way, I released that yesterday. Over here on Subscribestar, I released that strategy yesterday. However, and I'll put a link to this video above. You can watch it if you want, just to get an idea of what we talk about. But the thing is, with crypto, right now, and these price targets like this, first of all, there's no doubt that it's going to go up unless we see some sort of major regulation coming. That may push the price down, and that's very possible in 2021. So I'm cautiously optimistic, 60-70% that we're going to at least see 100,000 Bitcoin by the end of December 2021. And I truly believe that. I'm going to be following all this price analysis. But do I think we're going to hit 300,000? I don't know. And I invest accordingly. Could we drop down to 3,000? I don't know, but I invest accordingly. I'll explain to you what I mean in a moment. But let me just say this. The fact that Citibank is talking about this is extraordinary. I mean, you have a major company sending out info to its institutional, which means wealthy investors, talking about cryptocurrency of all things. I mean, this is no longer in the basement. And they're talking about hitting big numbers, $300,000 per Bitcoin. When I first did a video a couple years ago talking about one Bitcoin would eventually hit $1 million, people thought I was nuts. And now, here Citibank is talking about Bitcoin hitting $300,000. This is extraordinary. If this happens, this means Bitcoin sitting right now at what are we, $15,000, $16,000? I didn't even look this morning. $17,000. That's beautiful. $17,000. This means that there's still room to grow if this price target, in fact, happens, and we do, in fact, hit 300,000. Now, do you think we're going to hit 300,000 by December 2021? Let me know down in the comments. Now, here's my strategy for me. It's always dollar cost average and earn passive income. It's all about how quickly can you grow your passive income streams. And it's really about focusing on, as much as I can, the amount of crypto that I'm earning every day. Because understand, yesterday on one of my BFG tokens, I withdrew 122,000 Satoshi. That's awesome. A few weeks ago, heck, a couple months ago, those 122,000 Satoshi was about $12 worth of crypto. And you think, hey, I got one project earning me $12 a day in passive, totally passive cryptocurrency. That's not bad. However, when you talk about $17,000 Bitcoin, now all of a sudden that project is getting you up there to like $20, $20+ a day. In fact, I don't even know. Let me see. Where would that take us? 120 Bitcoin's up almost 100% for the year. That's worth noting. Yeah, $20 a day is what we're sitting on. Again, that's the difference in $12 a day a couple of months ago, just because of the price appreciation of cryptocurrency. So here's what's interesting about earning a passive income with crypto. It gives you a way to stack cryptocurrency without getting emotional. You're not focused on, do I buy, do I sell? If you want to sell, if you want to keep some of your gains, you just sell a little bit of your income stream every day. You don't reinvest. You pull a little bit off the table. Here, and maybe you get a little bit more aggressive about pulling some off the table. Or you double down. It's a lot easier to determine, do I want to sell for profit or do I want to reinvest? Emotionally, that's a far easier decision. And here's the thing. If cryptocurrency hits $100,000 or even $300,000 by December of 2021, don't you want to be in a position where you have a piece of that and you're earning passive crypto every single day? So I think this is awesome. I think that this creates awareness. But I think it's more important that we get in now and we get in early, because it's unprecedented times in crypto. And guess what? Crypto, if we see stronger regulations, it's risky. Not financial advice. Crypto could drop down to $3,000 per Bitcoin or less. Last year I was saying we might see $1,000 Bitcoin. It never happened. I said that when we were, sitting at like $15,000 last year. We did go all the way down to 3. But who knows? Are we going to hit 3,000 before we hit 300,000? Or are we going to hit 300,000 before we hit 3,000? It's really hard to say, but I don't get emotional about it. I dollar cost average month after month because I believe in the fundamental technology. And I focus on building businesses and earning passive income in cryptocurrency. And those opportunities that exist today may not always be there forever. So it's incredible that we have this opportunity right now. If you want to learn how to earn passive income in cryptocurrency, make certain that you come watch this video here to get an inside glimpse of our Crypto Passive Profits course. I'll put this video on the end screen and you can enjoy it for yourself. But let me know down in the comments, do you think we're going to hit $300,000 in Bitcoin per one Bitcoin by the end of 2021? Ladies and gentlemen, remember, decentralized cryptocurrency equals freedom. This is Crypto Wealth. I'm out.